Alright, so welcome to my first video, I guess, technically. But I did make like an hour. This took literally like an hour and a half, this trade. I did record the whole process, but I'm not going to post it because it was just all over the place. My phone was shaky. First video, I'm just going to explain what happened. This is MetaTrader 4. This is what I use to place trades. So I was looking at this screen, like 95% of what I recorded, but it's really hard to see and get an idea of what's going on. So I'm just going to go ahead here and explain on TradingView. So this is TradingView. You just type in TradingView on Google and go tradingview.com. So on the 15-minute, what I was looking for was it was around this price point here. So what I did was I went to the 4-hour. Well, first I started off with the daily. Okay, so on the daily, we've been going down for a long time. RSI, I have RSI. I like using RSI. It's a relative strength index. On the daily, it's really low, so it's got to go back up. But I mean, the RSI is, even though it's been low, it's still just going down and down on the daily. So can't always go by that. And then what I did was I went to the 4-hour. Now, it is still on a downtrend on the 4-hour. So, but it is kind of going up for the past, 16 hours. Each one of these candles is 4 hours. So then I go down to the 1-hour. Now I get a better little, I'm like, okay, this is a downtrend overall, right? Big downtrend. But if I focus on this little section here, it's been on an uptrend, for 16 hours like we seen on the 4 hours. So I made a trend line going up. Told myself, okay, this is the 1-hour. There's a lot of rejection in this area, but if it breaks above, we should be able to pump up to this area. So then I shrink down the time frame even more, and I go to the 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes, as long as it breaks above past this, we're gonna aim for here. And that was my goal for a take profit at 328. And then my entry was gonna be around 202. So what happened was it just kind of consolidated for a long time. And then you can also go to the 15 minutes, kind of what I use for an entry. So as long as it broke above this area, I was gonna get in. I was kind of hesitant in this little area here, but it ended up breaking above, as you can see here. So I was gonna hold it. I had a little symbol, take profit with the, oh my goodness, I'm gonna get a laptop, guys. This is gonna be better quality. Take profit was gonna be right there. So as soon as it hits that, it would boot me out. I set a stop loss. I believe I had originally set my stop loss. It was at 140, about that area-ish. So I placed a trade. I got in right before it broke. So right there, I waited probably 45 minutes, and it just kind of consolidated a bit. It didn't break, and then it did break. And once it did break, stretch it out a bit here. So on the 15-minute, once it did break this line, it started going up. Okay, each one of these is 15 minutes. So for a half an hour or 45 minutes, it had gone up to here. which put me around $1.30 profit. Now my goal is 0.5% to 1% a day. That is 1.3%. But this is where I got greedy. And I always get greedy. I don't know why, but I was aiming for here. And that's why I didn't sell. But I actually, my original stop loss, so stop loss means if it goes the opposite way, it boots you out. And, sorry, throat's dry. But it boots you out at whatever you set it to. So I believe I had it around there. But what I did was once the 15-minute had broke above here and closed a few candles, I actually moved my stop loss up. So I had moved my stop loss to about here because this candle was closing way up there. So I set my stop loss to 215 and I had placed my order at 202, I believe. So my stop loss was in profit now. So if it did go back down, no matter what, I was in profit if it went back down. But I didn't take the $1.30. And what happened was, as soon as this candle switched at 5 o'clock, it just melted. Poof, did this huge, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so it just did this huge correction, hit my stop loss, booted me out. Could have took my $1.30 and had my 1% that I aimed for, but I didn't. And instead I got, well, this is what I got. 15 cents. So I had set my stop loss at, actually I set it at 208. I should have set it a little higher, but anyways, it is what it is, guys. On the 1 hour, like if I go to the 1 hour, on the 1 hour, it still didn't break below this wick. So I did a bunch of explanation of that in my first hour and a 45-minute clip, but I want to make it short for you guys. So this, there's still 23 minutes. As long as this keeps going, get rid of this here. Just a sec. So as you can see, for each hour in the past 4 hours, the candle doesn't break below the previous candle. So it's still in an uptrend, and there's a good chance it might go to where I originally was expecting it to go. But unfortunately, I got booted out because it hit my stop loss, which whatever. I took 15 cents. 15 cents is 15 cents. Not happy with 15 cents. Yeah, I'm getting in. See, I placed another buy. And whether that was smart or not, probably not, but I'm gonna at least write it to, to there. Let's go to here. If it goes to that 56, see, now I'm at 38 cents. Now we're talking, if it hits that 56, got my 0.5%, and I might close out. See, now I'm negative 23, when I could have just taken that quick little scalp because I wasn't happy with 15 cents. I would have had 38 cents. Now I've lost my 15 cents. And I don't think it's coming back. See this price point there, it's creating a resistance, so it's not wanting to pass that. And I should have got out right there, and I didn't. because I was hoping that if, it broke past there, that it would go to my original prediction, but doesn't always work out. I'd say 90%, 85% of the time, though, my prediction is right, but not tonight, it seems. Anyways, I'll pick it up once I decide what I'm going to do. If it goes back in profit, I am taking it and running. So there's 4 minutes left before the longer time frame candle closes. I would like to see this 30-minute candle close green. I'd be a little more hopeful of what's going to happen, but let's go to the 15-minute. Oh, need a computer. This like white screen here doesn't do it. It's hard to see. And I can't go to trading view. Well, I can, but if I'm watching here, I can't really close my trade out when it hits to where I want it to. So I really don't like what it's doing. See, if it goes back up over this body, I'm just going to get out. Call it a night. 2 minutes left. Okay. Stick to my guns. Getting out. I'm in profit now. Instead of 15 cents, I'm now at 20. Woohoo, big money. Oh, shit. See, I was talking. Told myself I was going to take it out. Didn't. So you gotta be quick. That's why I don't like using TradingView by the time I get back to this friggin' screen. Anyways. I stress over the littlest amount of money. Like I'm stressing over 15, 20 cents. Because in my mind, I know that this could be hundreds of dollars or $200, $300, $400, That's how I think of it. I don't think of that as 41 cents. I think of that as $400, 38, 300. Like once I can master the confidence and the trading, that's what I'm going to be doing. So practicing with the little amount before I move on to the big amounts. So once I master this, I'm taking all my stocks and crypto out. So, well, I won't take all my crypto out or stocks really, but I'll definitely put a good chunk of money into it instead of this, so I can make a good amount of daily money. Okay, so just waiting for this to go in a bit of profit. I'm taking it and running because it stressed me out. There we go, 15 cents. Close with profit, 5 cents. See, it was at 15 there. been 30 cents. There we go. Whatever. Too much headache, too much stress. Watch, as soon as I close, it's just gonna friggin' pump to the moon. I'm not even gonna watch it. Not even gonna watch it, okay? So, 28 cents. It's better than 15. I could have had $1.30 if I sold up here. Instead, I've got 28 cents. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.